Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 4.5 question number 3. Draw the following. A rectangle with adjacent sides of length 5 cm and 4 cm. Right? Let us draw. First of all, take a ruler. With the help of this ruler, draw AB. This is a rough diagram of this rectangle ABCD. Here AB is 5 cm and another adjacent side is 4 cm. Right? First draw a line AB with 5 cm. This is AB. You draw it with a line of 5 cm. Here you see this is exactly 5 cm. Right? Now the name of this line is AB. The name of this line is AB. It is here it is A. It is B. Now with the help of protractor, make an angle of 90 degree at point A and at point B. Let us take a protractor here. Here we have taken a protractor, and by placing the protractor in the proper position, we will make 90 degree at point A point. 90 degree at point A. Right? Now you see this is 90 degree. Right? And with the help of the ruler, we'll make 90 degree. And at point B also make an angle of 90 degree. At point B also make an angle of 90 degree. This is exactly 90 degree. Right? With the help of the ruler, we'll make the angle. You see, with the help of the ruler, make the angle of 90 degree. Here you see, we're making this 90 degree at A point. At point A. Right? Here you see, we are making 90 degree at this point. This is 90 degree at point A. And now make 90 degree at point B point. You see, we are making 90 degree at point B. This is 90 degree at point B. You see, this is 90 degree at point B. That means AB is 5 centimeter. Here it is 5 centimeter. And at point A, this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. And at point B also it is 90 degree. It is 90 degree. Now you see another side is 4 centimeter. We know that in rectangle the opposite sides are equal. This is 4 centimeter means this is AD is also 4 centimeter. AD is also 4 centimeter. With an arc of 4 centimeter, let us take the compass with the help of the ruler. Here you see, with the help of the ruler, we make an arc of 4 centimeter. With the help of this ruler, we make an arc of 4 centimeter. Let us take this. Let us take this pointer at 0 point and make an arc of 4 centimeter. You see, this is 4 centimeter, exactly 4. With this pointer at this point A, with this pointer at point A, make an arc of 4 centimeter. You see, with the pointer at point A position, at point A, make an arc of 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. Again, take this point at point B and make an arc of 4 centimeter. Alright, now with the help of the ruler, join the point D and C. Join the points D and C. Right here you see, this is 5 centimeter. This is C point. This is D point. Now you see that this is 5 centimeter because in a rectangle opposite sides are equal in length. This is 5 centimeter. And here BC is given as 4 centimeter. The BC we have taken 4 centimeter and AD is also 4 centimeter. Once again we are repeating how we have made. First draw AB of line 5 centimeter. At angle A make 90 degree with the help of protractor. At point B make 90 degree with the help of protractor. And with an arc of 4 centimeter from the pointer should be at point A and cut it 4 centimeter. And at point B, the pointer should be at point B and cut 4 centimeter and join DC. That means it is a rectangle and the side, this AD, is equal to BC and AB is equal to DC. Not only that, each angle is 90 degree. Each angle is 90 degree. This is 90 degree and this is 90 degree. Therefore, it is a rectangle. Therefore, we say that ABCD is the required rectangle. ABCD is the required quadrilateral or rectangle, right? This is the required. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.